So we're out here in Buckhead. It's about 11 o'clock. We've been prepping for the driveway. It only took us 8 months for the drawings and the waiting on the permit. So today's the day. Show you what we're working with. We're going to use mud buggies to get it down instead of line pumping it. Today we're going with a 3,000 psi mix with some fiber mesh to help prevent cracking. Just doing some final touches. Getting it fine graded. The truck is late, so we're just kind of fine tuning it a bit. We did all the brick on the house here. We've got to lime wash that as well. So they're going to pull back here and have a courtyard, a turnaround. This is as big as the city would allow us to go, as much square footage, because they're concerned with pervious versus impervious surfaces. So we're going to have a curb on that side, 6-inch curb. The curb is going to start here and run around. We'll have one drainage box in this corner, one drainage box in this corner, and these pipes will go around down into this drainage pit, which is about 22 feet long and 4 feet deep. So to basically percolate into that gravel wrapped with the fabric. We built the walls over there, the fence, the fireplace. The deck is going up as well. So, a lot going on today.